Day 1, we will be beginning with Unit 5, Mathematical Reasoning and Aptitude. We will initiate today with number series. And before proceeding, let me just explain a few things before we proceed with number series. Whenever the number series are in ascending order, okay, that is an increasing order, that time you need to keep in mind that it could either be a case of addition, or it could be a case of multiplication, or it could be a combination of both. We would be looking at the different types, okay? And whenever the series are in descending order or decreasing order, that time it could be a case of subtraction or it could be a case of division. We would be looking at those in detail for today, all right? Coming to question 1, okay, the series is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25x. You need to find this x, which would be this term in the series. Because it is a simple one, I want you to try it out. It's quite simple. Try it out and you can message your answers in the chat box. Yes, Farida, Ruchita, Shanti, Benita, Sweetie, Ashwarya, all of you are right. Correct option is option B, 36, because as you can clearly see over here, 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 5 square. So x would be 6 square, which is option B, 36. Okay. So I'm starting with a simple problem here. So the correct option is option B, 36. Coming to the next question, okay? The series here is 6, 11, 21, 36, 56, question mark. Now you need to find the last term in this series. I want you to try it on your own. Whether you are right, whether you are wrong, doesn't matter. What you do is you try and find out the difference, try and see what is the pattern, and try and give me the right answer. Okay. Shanti, Trupti, Sanuja, Benita. Difference of table of 5. Rest of you keep trying. Okay. So Shanti, Trupti, Sanuja, Benita, Ruchita, Nikhil, Tripti, Mayuri, Deepika, all of you are right. Correct option is option C, 81. See over here the pattern, if you will see, plus 5, plus 10, plus 15, plus 20. So if the pattern is like that, in order to get the next term, what do I need to do? I need to add 25. So my correct option is option C, 81. So you need to simply find out what is the difference. And some series will be simple, some series will be complex. Slowly, we will move to the complex ones as well. Okay, coming to the next question, 3, 9, 27, 81, question mark. Which would be the term in this series, last term in this series? Okay, I'll just give the rest of you a moment to try and figure it out. Okay, all right, Shanti, Sitara, Tripti, Dr. Ria, Trupti, Amruta Madam, Gija, Ashwarya, Shruti, Koteshwari, Ambika, Girish, all of you are right. Okay, so in this case, the correct option is option B, 243. If you will notice, each of the terms is being divided by 3. 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27, 27 threes are 81. So in order to get this next term, what do I need to do? I need to multiply 81 by 3. And I get my correct answer, option B, 243. Coming to the next question. This series is 3, 7, 15, 31, 63, question mark. Try doing this. I'll just give the rest of you a moment. Okay. So, Ruchita, Sanuja, Trupti, Shruti, Girish, Neha, Shanti, Dr. Ria, Aditi, Pooja, Tripti, Ambika, Benita, all of you are right. Correct option is option C, 127. Okay, now in this case, what is happening? The series is something like this. So this is a combination of multiplication and addition. So this is what I was talking about. Sometimes it can be a combination of both. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1. Okay, then we get 7. 7 multiplied by 2 plus 1. What do we get? We get 15. 15 multiplied by 2 plus 1. What do we get? 31. Okay, so similarly 31 multiplied by 2 plus 1 we would get 63. Okay, and 63 multiplied by 2 plus 1, what do we get? We get 127. So correct option is option C, 127. So it is not necessary that always it will simply be a case of multiplication or simply a case of addition. Sometimes it will be a combination of both, and you will have to find out the hidden pattern. Coming to the next question, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, which is the next term in the series. It's a little tricky here, but it's right in front of your eyes. Okay. Yes. Tripti, Neha, Shanti, Urvashi, Shruti, Aditi, Ambika, Girish, Pavana, Ruchita, Farida, Gija, Nikhil, Ashwini, you're right. Correct option is option C, 13. How? Okay, let's look at that. Over here, what is happening? 1, just give me a moment. 1 plus 2, we are getting 3. 2 plus 3, we are getting 5. 5 plus 3, we are getting 8. So 5 plus 8, what would we get? We would get 13. So next term in the series is 13. All right. Coming to the next question. This one is simple. 0.5, 1.5, 4.5, 13.5. Find out the next term in the series. It's quite simple. Waiting for the rest of you to answer. Okay. Yes, Benita, Trupti, Dr. Ria, Neha, Shanti, Farida, Girish, Lakshmi, all of you are right. Correct option is option D, 40.5. Let's look at how. Over here, 0.5, when we multiply it by 3, we get 1.5. 1.5, when we multiply it by 3, we get 4.5. 4.5 multiplied by 3, we get 13.5. So in order to get the next term in the series, what do we need to do? We simply need to multiply it by 3 and we get the answer 40.5. So you have your answer over here, 40.5. Coming to this one, 121, 225, 361. Which would be the next term in the series? I'll give you a little hint over here. These are squares of some particular numbers. Those who are trying to be quick, take it a little slow, analyze what is the pattern. Don't be in a rush. Okay, all right. So Farida, Neha, Vinita, Girish, and Shanti, all of you are right. Correct option is option C, 529. Okay. Now, in this case, if you will see, 11 square is 121. 15 square is 225. 19 square is 361. So when we are taking the squares of these numbers, what is happening? You can see there is a difference of 4. 11 plus 4 gives us 15. 15 plus 4 gives us 19. So the next term in the series will be a square of which number? 19 plus 4 will give me 23. Means this number over here in the series will be a square of 23. 23 square is nothing but 529. Okay, so correct answer is option C, 529. Okay, I hope I'm very clear. Let's look at the next question. 0, 2, 8, 14. Which series would be the next? Which term would be the next? And 34. So we need to find which term would be after 14 and before 34. Mm, look carefully. It's a little tricky. You'll have to look closely. Over here, only Shanti's answer is the correct answer. That is option A, 24 is the correct answer. Let's look at this one. Okay. This is a tricky question. What all of you were trying to do is you were trying to detect the pattern as +6. But when the next term in the series is given, 20 plus 6, is it giving you 34? See closely. No, right? So definitely 20 cannot be your answer. So this is the series 1 square minus 1. Okay, so that would be 1 minus 1. I would get a 0. 2 square minus 2, that is 4 minus 2. I would get a 2. 3 square minus 1, that is 9 minus 1. I would get 8. Similarly, 4 square minus 2. Okay, so whatever is the series pattern over here is the square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4. Okay, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. That is the pattern that is being followed over here. Okay, so the next term over here would be square of 5 minus 1, because prior to that, what is there? Minus 2 is there. So now next would be minus 1. Okay, so 5 square minus 1 gives me what? Option A, 24. And if I want to tally whether I'm getting still the correct answer or not, what I can do? 6 square is how much? 36. 36. Okay, minus 1 is done. So I need to do what? I need to minus 2. 36 minus 2 gives me 34. So because this fits perfectly, my correct option is option A, 24. Okay, coming to the next question. 19, 2, 38, 3, 114, 4. Which would be the next term in this series? Nine, most of you have solved. 456. Okay, so let's look at what those who have answered it correctly. Let me just quickly take the names. Yes, Pooja, Shanti, Benita, Gitanjali, Girish, Ruchita, Ambika, Shruti. I might not be able to take all the names. Yes, Amruta, Madam, Ashwini, all of you are right. The reason being, this sequence is a combination of two series. Okay, one series is this 19, 38, 114. So this question mark is belonging to that series. Another series which is simultaneously going on is 2, 3, 4. So after this question mark, the next term would be 5. Okay, so pattern of two series, combination of two series is going on over here. Now in this case, what is happening? 19 multiplied by 2 is giving us 38. 38 multiplied by 3 is giving us 114. Okay, so what do I need to do with this 114? I need to multiply it by 4. Why? Because it is an increasing order of multiplication. Okay, 19 is being multiplied by 2, 38 is being multiplied by 3. So 114, what do I need to do with that? I need to multiply it by 4. So correct answer is option D, 456. Coming to the next question, 4, 5, 9, 18, 34, which is the next term in the series. Okay, we have a few answers there. Rest of you, please try and be quick. Otherwise, uh, we're going to be lagging behind. Okay. Yes, correct option is option. Okay. Just give me a moment. Option D, 59. Let's look at how that is. Tripti, Aditi, Girish, and Shanti have given the correct options. Just give me a moment. Okay, all right. So in this case, what is the pattern being followed? 4, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and what would you need? 5 square, which is 25, equals to 59.